How to cash out on crypto.com. Hi everyone, in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can cash out on crypto.com. In order to cash out on crypto.com, all you need to do is make sure that the device is connected to an internet service. Now then, to begin with, first of all, log in into your crypto.com account. After you're logged in, that's going to show you the interface something like this, and you can see right at the bottom there's a trade option. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap the trade button, it's going to take you to the other interface, which is going to look something like this. Now first of all, you'll need to go ahead and set up a fiat wallet. If you have already set up a fiat wallet, then you do not need to proceed on with this procedure. Setting up a fiat wallet, go ahead and tap the trade button. As soon as you click the trade button, next page you'll be able to see whether you want to withdraw or deposit. Go ahead and tap on withdraw. So first of all, you'll also need to sell your cryptocurrency in order to convert it to cash. So go ahead and sell your cryptocurrency, whichever that is convenient for you. You'll be receiving an amount within 2 to 3 business days, which will be added to your balance, and after that you can transfer it to your linked bank account and then you can cash out. So that is how you can cash out on crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.